Hello everyone and welcome back to Byte Bloomer. Today we're delving into an essential aspect of personal finance that can help you achieve your financial goals, creating a monthly budget. Why budgeting matters. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. It empowers you to take control of your finances, save for the future, and make informed financial decisions. It's like having a GPS for your money, ensuring you stay on the path to financial freedom. Creating your monthly budget. Let's jump right into the steps for creating an effective monthly budget. Step 1. Track your income. Start by calculating your total monthly income. This includes your salary, side hustle earnings, rental income, and any other sources of money coming in. Step 2. List your expenses. Next, create a comprehensive list of your monthly expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance, and variable expenses such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, and transportation. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. Step 3. Set financial goals. Define your financial goals for the month. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or planning a vacation, having clear objectives will guide your budgeting decisions. Step 4. Allocate funds. Now comes the heart of your budget: allocating funds. Distribute your income to cover your expenses while keeping your financial goals in mind. Ensure that your expenses do not exceed your income, and allocate enough for savings and debt repayment. Step 5. Review and adjust. Consistently review your budget to track your spending and make adjustments as needed. This is a critical step in maintaining financial control. By regularly reviewing your budget, you'll catch any overspending early and can reallocate funds as necessary. The envelope budgeting system. One highly effective budgeting method is the envelope system. In this method, you allocate cash into physical envelopes for different expense categories. This tangible approach can help you stay disciplined and avoid overspending in specific categories. Tips for budget success. Start by creating a realistic budget that accurately reflects your financial situation. Be honest with yourself about your income and expenses. Be diligent in tracking your spending, whether you use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or the envelope system. Prioritize your financial goals and allocate funds accordingly. This ensures that your budget aligns with your aspirations. Look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can save more and allocate those savings towards your goals. Don't forget to plan for unexpected expenses or emergencies in your budget. Having an emergency fund is a financial lifesaver. Homework. Before our next video, I challenge you to create your monthly budget following the steps we discussed. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below to inspire and help others on their budgeting journey. Common budgeting pitfalls and how to avoid them. Identify common mistakes people make when budgeting, such as underestimating expenses or not adjusting the budget as circumstances change. Offer practical tips on how to avoid these pitfalls and maintain a successful budget. The 50-30-20 rule. The 50/30/20 rule is a budgeting guideline that divides your income into 3 distinct categories, each with a specific purpose. It's a straightforward approach to help individuals manage their finances and strike a balance between essential expenses, discretionary spending, and saving or debt repayment. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Conclusion. Thank you for joining me in this budgeting session. Budgeting is a foundational skill in personal finance, and by mastering it, you're taking a significant step toward achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable personal finance insights.